Hi, I am BC. Today's video is going to introduce the game I'm currently making. Window is a 2D platformer. Players need to control a troublemaking antivirus software to explore an infected computer system and recover files encrypted by virus. The UI is designed to be like a real PC GUI. Players can interact with them just like operating their PC. At the desktop, we can click on the icons to see what happened to this computer. Then we open the antivirus software and select the level we want to play. The first level is used for tutorial. This level shows us the basic gameplay. Players can control the antivirus software to move and jump with keyboard. This is a window. Players can interact with them with mouse. Player can maximize them or scroll them just like interacting with GUI. In later levels, we will see different kinds of windows. Or you can check it in my game design document in detail. The antivirus program will crash if it runs into an obstacle or an enemy. Then it will restart at the nearest save point. When players find an encrypted file, they can finish the level. The second level is more difficult than the first one. There are two basic challenges in this game. The first one is to control the software to jump between platforms and dodging enemies and obstacles. The second one is using windows to solve puzzles. Players need to watch carefully at the environment and make full use of the game elements. In the third level, I introduced a new type of window and new enemies. Players need to try new strategies to make their way to the end of the level. New enemy is introduced in the fourth level too. Players need to watch carefully and figure out the way to conquer challenge. There is some special gameplay in the game. Players can interact with them and see how it works. There are also some Easter eggs hidden in the game for the players to explore. This game demo is just an early prototype to test out the game mechanism. Now I have finished the program of the basic gameplay. Through playtesting, I found out several problems. The most important one is about players' perception on game elements. I want to create an experience which players are exploring a real computer system and get to know the background story by interacting with GUI. In the later version, I will focus more on the puzzle part of the game. Also, I will create an experience more like operating a real PC. Story of the game will be rewrite and more content will be added to the game. There are still many bugs in the game which degraded the game experience. I will also fix them in the later version.